Save or splurge?
Save.
Save now. For now.
Filming content or living in the moment?
Living in the moment.
Living in the moment, but it cannot be because, you know, we need content.
Dear, you always film.
She always
In the
complains.
moment, early morning or midnight energy?
Midnight energy.
Midnight energy.
Family trip or solo trip?
Family
Family trip.
trip.
Luxury bag or street food?
Luxury bag for me. Not street food.
Street food.
Really?
I prefer experiences over material good.
Hello! Happy Mother's Day! Oh my God! Wow, it's Mother's Day ng kapwang mag-ina. Ay, mag-ina. Magkaibigan ng ina.
Yeah, yes.
Right? Happy Mother's Day. Hello, you. My God. I am so excited to interview these two for Mother's Day.
Thank you for asking us to join.
Oh my
Thank
God.
you for having us.
But mother and son.
Okay.
Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day, Mom and Tita Karen.
And happy Mother's Day to me also. Dear Happy Mother's,
Mother's
Day.
Day.
All right, if I ask you, Small Laude and Tim Laude, influencer, mom and son, what is Mother's Day like now to both of you?
Okay, Tim, answer first. And I'll copy you.
Mother's Day will always be the same, where we have to give her flowers, and you
It's
know,
a must.
every day is Mother's Day. So for me, you have to love your mom every day. And
Uy, ang
always
sweet.
acts
Yeah.
of service, follow your mom.
Please, Tim.
Oo.
But sometimes I'm naughty and I don't follow.
Not
Talaga?
sometimes,
Yeah.
most of the time. But now, when he became a YouTuber, bumaet.
No, mabait na siya noon
Oh, pero
pa.
now
No,
he's like,
Mom.
he's a, I feel the gratefulness in him.
Oh, ang sweet.
After that, he's always grateful. But you know, this time, Mommy, thank you so much. Parang na-appreciate niya ako.
I always appreciate
Yeah, I
ever
know.
since.
But this one, you're like showing it to me.
In what way?
He's very obedient, and then he follows what I say. Before kasi, every time, Tim, ganyan, Mommy, no na. Now, he's like, Mom, what? And he needs my opinion. And I'm so
Because
happy.
she's a momager.
Momager. Momager.
Oh my
Momager?
God. Wait,
Momager.
you are the momager.
Yeah, I'm a
Aminado ka.
momager. Yeah.
Down to my outfits, down to my hair, down to my appearance when I...
Your little pimple, why is there a pimple?
Skin.
Can you just go to Bello and clean your face?
Alam mo sa showbiz, ang tawag nila doon, stage mother. Stage mom. Talaga bang stage mom and momager siya?
Yes.
Like hardcore?
Yeah.
Like
Hardcore.
paano?
So as of now, I have my YouTube channel, right? So down to each clip has to be studied, very articulate when it comes to the thumbnails, the titles, so that, you know, each video gets better. And it helps me, of course.
This is a sign of love, small.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
yung pagtutok mo na ganito kay Tim.
Yes.
Ang tanong ko,
I'm so careful.
bakit? I mean, hindi ka ganito from the many years I've known you.
Yes.
What happened?
Dear, of course, syempre sa image ng mga kids ko, I'm so careful with the image of my kids. Kailangan maayos, di ba? And they should be like proper. And I want them to look pleasant and adorable.
With Tim's YouTube, it's more than that. What is it? Why do you care about it so much?
Dear, of course, I want, because, you know, the viewers now, they're so smart. Alam nila, and I want them to be authentic. That's what I told Tim. And syempre, careful. And syempre, the people will know anong kalooban niya. Dear, so I always give him lesson na, Tim, you know, the people who watches you, they're so like, they really look up to us, and we have to be a good example to their kids also. And because the titas are watching him.
That's
Wow.
true.
So I told him, you cannot do this, you cannot do that, because the titas, the mga aunts that who's watching you, I want them to love you and encourage their children to watch you. That's a
Wow.
good example.
Good example. Okay, so you know what? Tim is the youngest of the 3 boys.
Yes.
But technically, Allison is the youngest. So you have 4 kids, right?
Yeah.
How old were you nung nanganak ka kay Tim?
I was going 29 something.
29.
29
Oo.
something, yeah.
What were
I
you?
with him, no. Because he's the third na pala.
Third na.
Oo.
So 30s ka na
30s,
nun.
30s, yeah.
So si PJ, 29 ka
Oo,
nun.
yes.
Oo. What were you like as a mother?
As a mother,
Nung baby sila.
ay dear, ang importante sa akin, dapat cute sila. Takot ako. Ang payat. Hindi siya maganda. Hindi siya cute. Kailangan cute. So dear, kailangan pataibain namin. So sasabihin ko sa'yo, kailangan yaya, ha, maging cute yan. Kailangan cheeky, ganyan. I'm so after sa ka-cuteness ng baby.
And you know, Tim was so cute as a baby.
Oh my God.
When I look at the photo.
Yeah, because it was Auntie Alice who saw him right away sa in nursery. Sabi niya, my God, ang cute ng batang to. Dear, sobrang cute siya nung nasa nursery. Siya ang pinaka-cute.
The problem
Si
with
Tim-
that, when I was nursery or around 5 to 7 years old, I wasn't playing sports. I wasn't excelling because her focus was to keep me eating.
Yeah,
And
and to be chubby and
Yeah.
cute.
No way, are you serious?
So I started playing sports when I was like 10 years old.
So talagang iniwan ka ng mami mo sa kusina?
I
Not,
want,
no naman. It's more of like I have food
kailangan
all the time
makinis,
in my...
kailangan
my
super
room.
cute, sobrang yung smooth yung skin, hindi pwedeng maarawan. I'm so particular with that.
So ito,
Nagregret
looking
ako doon.
back many years ago, never ka nagpalit ng diaper?
No.
No, I did naman. I did naman with TJ
Why?
and Allison.
Totoo?
Yeah, but with Michael and Tim, I
I don't
don't
think so.
remember.
Hindi na. Oh my, oh what was she like as a mom?
Cool and strict. Yeah.
Cool and strict?
Yeah.
Yes.
It was more of like... No, actually, the strict one was my dad. So, when I was a kid, I would play video games, and when I would get bad grades, which happened rarely, no video games for a week.
Oo, yun.
Yeah.
We're an honor
But
student.
once it
Yeah.
came to like my college life already, it was more of going home too late. So, yeah, you can't go out the next week after.
So ano ka, strict ka?
Grounded.
Nag-ground ka
Oh,
pala.
yeah, grounded,
Is
yeah.
that your mothering style?
With PJ, he got a lot of spanking from us.
Okay, may
But with-
palo.
May Palo and Michael.
Okay.
But with Allison and Tim, wala. Wala na talaga. I didn't spank you, no?
No.
Oo, bakit?
Because she would confront me.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But with PJ, talagang pulang-pula na to. Hindi pa rin siya bumabait. Tsaka face the wall. Tsaka meron si PJ, alam mo yung marami talagang right, I'm sorry, I won't do that. Mga 10 pages.
Or is it nagbago ka na nung pangatlo na?
Nung pangatlo na.
Ah.
And ayaw na ni Philip yung nagsispank.
Ako kasi napalo ako ng bata. Pati belt.
Yeah, and me also, and chinelas.
Oo, sanay,
Sanay
nasanay
tayo.
ko, pero nag-iba na ang parenting style.
yes.
Alright, but how would you describe your mom?
She's the party in the room.
Wow, why? Why that?
The room gets livelier when she's around, and she's like your friend instead
Yeah.
of a mom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, that's such a compliment.
And dad is a dad, no?
Yeah.
But that's such a compliment.
Wow, really?
Yeah, that you
Like a
are
friend.
you're the party in the room.
Yes.
Isipin mo yun?
Yeah. Yes, and dear, ang quiet ng house pag wala ako.
Oo.
Yeah.
You have 4 kids. What is Tim like?
When Tim was a baby and high school, he's very, very obedient to me. Tapos nag-college, natutong maglakwatsa and drinking. Oh my gosh, dear. Hinihintay ko yan sa morning. Nasa elevator ako. Tim, why? Why, mommy? Go to sleep na. So, talagang gigil na gigil ako, dear. Tapos, wala, hindi na niya alam the next day na ganyan. Na talagang, do you remember last night? I'm so picon and wala, dear, talagang naging lakwatsero for a while. During college, no?
Yeah.
Because
Because nagka-pandemic rin.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, and 2 years kayong hindi nag-school,
we were
no?
deprived of the college life for the
Yeah,
first 2 years.
Because of the pandemic.
Yeah.
Oo, so party boy ka nun, and nag-aaway kayo nun.
Dear,
Yeah,
yes,
because-
weekly, every week.
I would come home when the sun was up already.
Oh my
And carried by friends.
Oh,
Yeah. Dear, talagang nakaganyan ako. Tim, can you? Hi, mom, how are you? Tapos, dear, diretso na sa bed, tulog. The next morning, I'm so gigil, wala na sa kanya. Okay na siya. Sober na.
but do you always fight? Because at the end of the day, Tim is now an adult.
No,
You
that
are
that era is over.
over,
So
but you're in your 20s now. You're 23, 24.
25.
25.
Yeah.
So, do you still fight?
When it comes to my YouTube channel, yes.
So now you fight about work.
Yeah, about work.
Okay.
But-
About work.
It's more of in my best interest. Sometimes we have disagreements, but I know she's just looking out the best for me. That's what I've mentioned earlier, like the titles, the thumbnails, what my vlog ideas are. You should do this, you should do that.
And sometimes he
The
said, you're
smallest things.
overthinking, mom. Yeah.
I tell her, Mom, you're just overthinking it and you're making a big deal out of nothing. Then
That's one.
she's
Number
like,
two.
No, listen to me. But like, Mom, people won't even notice that. And we have our disagreements.
Disagreements.
Okay, what about love? In the whole time that you've had girlfriends, now, of course, you're happily with Olivia now, pero pakiilamera ba ang nanay mo sa girlfriend?
No, because I'm smart.
What do you mean?
I wouldn't date someone who I'm not proud to bring home to my mom.
Oh, yeah, yeah. They're
Yeah.
all like that, actually, yes.
Where did this come from, Tim? That attitude?
It's more of the reunions we have with our family. So our Eduardo families, we're really tight. We're close bonded. It's become a part of my life wherein I'm always present. And I don't want to be ashamed of the girl I'm bringing to these family reunions.
Kailangan proud
Yeah.
sila.
Oo, anong tinuturo mo kay Tim and even the other boys when it comes to choosing a partner?
They should choose like wisely, like it should be a good influence to them. They should be like believer in God. Yan ang important. And dapat respectful and decent.
Oo.
Number one is the girl should be decent.
Nagkaroon na ba ng pagkakataon na may narinig kang dinate ni Tim or ng iba mong boys, tas talagang ayoko siya?
Meron ba din?
Meron.
Meron. I'm so pakialamera.
Oo.
That one, nag-separate sila ng ways ni PJ because I'm so pakialamera.
PJ or me?
With
Ikaw
you,
din.
No, I did not
Ah.
make pakialam to you in your relationships.
Okay.
With
Oo.
PJ, yes.
Yeah.
And then, they separate ways kasi daw because of me. I was so nakikialam sa mga dates nila, even sa prom.
Oh,
Yeah.
pati sa prom?
Nakikialam ako, sinong date mo sa prom?
ikaw,
Hindi
Tim,
pwede
pati
yan.
sa prom?
No.
Siya, no na.
Do na.
No na.
When did you see Tim at a moment in his life that hurt you the most?
Oh my gosh, dear. Okay, heartbroken siya. You know what?
Before to hindi ngayon.
Before to, long time
Yeah.
ago, we
Oo.
were in Spain. And of course, when they were together, they met in Spain. And then, when we were in the plane na, we were like, I was in front of Tim, and Tim was at my back, and then said, Mommy! Why, Tim? Mommy! This girl and I broke up. And then I have to stay with him. Oh my God, I was like embracing Tim. The whole flight, like more than half of the flight, I was with him like he was crying. And that, Mommy, it's so hurting and ganyan. So, and Tim, I'm so tutok and talagang binabantayan namin ng yaya si Tim. For like, how many months? 4 months. We're so like, every day, oh my gosh, what's happening? And he was so hurt that time. And I hated the girl, of course, for hurting my son.
Mayaman, mahirap. Ang sakit pag nakikita mong umiiyak ang anak mo.
Ang anak. Yes, it's always the anak. That's why my hurt for Tim is really like, I was so hurt for Tim several times.
Honestly, we were just traveling as a family, so we could forget about it. She's always in my room or I'm always in her room. Like, just having to spend time with other people to like distract myself.
It's so hard to see a child heartbroken eh.
Yeah! Like, si Allison lang, sobrang na akong stress. Why? Kasi mami, hindi na text me na. What? Text lang? Wala pa pala, hindi pa mag-boyfriend. What? Who's that?
What would you want to protect your kids from?
From being hurt, from sickness, from everything. I just want them to be happy and have a great future ahead of them. That's always my prayer.
Do you feel that, your mom's protection?
Yeah.
Is
of
she
course.
overly protective now?
No, not really.
Not really.
Are you soft on Tim? Are you easy on Tim? I'm not gonna say is Tim your favorite. They're all your favorites.
They're all
but
my favorites, yeah.
Among the boys, have you been easiest on Tim?
Because dear, syempre, of course, sa eldest, lahat ng attention is with PJ. So talagang si PJ,
Expectations.
talagang expectations and talagang lahat ng attention. With them, pang third na si Tim, so medyo nalaylo. So tatlo na yung binabantayan ko. So divided attention.
Oo.
So kay PJ, talagang very strict kami.
Oo.
With
Kay Michael,
si Michael is very quiet and I know talagang when he chooses a girl talagang, oh wow. Ganyan. Even them, all of them like wow talaga yung mga girls. They're so scared na ibabash ko yung girl. They're so, di ba, you're worried na, oh naku, my mom will not like this girl. They're so particular in that.
your mom's opinion really matters, Tim.
Yeah, 100%.
Okay.
I would say if I would bring home a girl that I'm not proud of and something she looks down on, it can affect my relationship with my mom, right? Because there might come a point where I'm siding with a girl that I'm not really proud of, or I'm siding with my mom, but the relationship I have with this girl suffers, right? So I want to make sure that it's someone I'm proud of and she also respects. Yeah.
Do you have a common memory, both of you, about each other?
We went to Amsterdam for a wedding. So I tagged along with her and we were just walking around Amsterdam, enjoying good meals. So it's like really bonding.
Yeah.
But we were with our dad, not just the
Yeah.
both of us.
Wow, ang naaalala niya, walking together.
Walking together.
Oo.
Yes.
Ikaw?
When I go with them in Disneyland, and then I'll be like, together with them, like driving daw yung mga car. Yun naalala ko. They're so like, I remember when they were running, screaming, Mom. Talagang wala nang ganun. Yun yung naalala ko.
Pero may ganun ka pala kasi yung mga fans mo, di ba? Pag nakita ka, wow, super glam, small loudest, super luxurious. Di ba? Hindi iisipin na hinahabol-habol yung mga anak sa Disneyland. Ganun ka?
Dear, pinapahabol ko sa yaya. Yes. Habulin niyo, hindi pwede. Nasaan sila?
So wait, Donya talaga. Donya ang
Yeah.
peg mo.
Yeah, dear. Oo. Like, nasaan na sila? Ako, dear, yung motor. Oh, how do you call this? I was there the whole time.
Scooter.
On a scooter, yeah, naka-scooter. Pag natatam, I'm lazy. So now, I regret it. Sabi ko na nga, I was telling myself the other few times na sana in-enjoy ko talaga. Like when we were in Europe, abroad, dapat talaga I really walk with them, eat with them, shop with them. It's most of the time, I wake up late. And then, na-miss ko yun. Nag-shopping na sila, they went somewhere.
What is the biggest misconception about your family?
In my case, there would be misconceptions about me not working, everything is given to me, Nepo baby. Yeah. In terms of financials.
Finances. Parang feeling nila, ay, hindi na to magtatrabaho.
Yeah.
Spoiled.
Spoiled,
Spoiled.
yeah.
Yeah, yes.
Spoiled.
That's
But there's a lot of hard work behind the scenes that people don't see. After college, I was working with my dad.
Yeah, right
Then
away.
once she had her skincare company, she assigned me to
You
that. And people don't realize that we're working, right? So that's the misconception for me. I don't know for her.
Oh, nagbiro ka, I'm a Nepo baby. What made you say that? What's a Nepo baby to you in this situation?
Being privileged because of what your parents has given you. I should recognize it, which I do. So I'm just like blessed to be in this position. It doesn't mean that I'm not working, just receiving all the money in the world from my parents, because not everything is given to me.
Of course, no bashing. It's for fun. Order anything. Okay, unlimited. What's the sawa? Papasukin niyo na si Small. So guys, let's go.
Ikaw, kasi sikat na sikat ka. 'Di ba yung family mo, everywhere you go, kilala. So they think you have it all,
Yeah.
right? Is that true? Or
No. Yeah, of course, we're like the normal people. Like also thinking of spending money wisely. And you know what? I was with my brother Joel and we were in America. He was with my kid in Disneyland. And then he said, Small, akala ko spoiled yung mga boys mo. Hindi pala. Hello, you remember that?
Yeah.
Hindi pala sila spoiled. Joel, hindi pwedeng spoiled sa akin. Lumaki na maayos yung mga kids ko. Maaayos yan. Tsaka they're all hardworking, ha?
yung feeling ng, wow, they're always happy
it's a cliche that parang what you see in Instagram, it's not all true. Of course, you will post something so beautiful. Hindi mo naman ipopost yung lahat ng sadness or ano. Of course, we have our own problems. We go through that.
How do you deal with problems bilang ina?
Ay dear, ang dali lang. Nagdadrama ako. Yun lang, magdadrama, iiyak-iyak. Ganyan. At matatouch na sila. Sorry, ma'am. Mga ganun lang, dear. Dinadaan ko sa drama. Ay, nakokonsensya na sila.
Tim,
Sometimes she acts irrationally and on her emotions, so it's super abrupt. Which I always tell her, don't act abruptly. You're just feeling emotional now. But I can't stop that, right?
pero parang mas kalmado si Tim sa'yo.
Ay, yes. All of them, mas kalmado. Dear, di ba kahit nagwawala na ako, nagtatantrums, nag-hysteria na ako. Si Allison ganyan. Okay, and then what? Even si Michael. Okay, ma'am, okay. So, what do we do? Sobrang nonchalant ang mga kids ko. Si PJ lang, very frantic. Mom, stop that! Don't act like that. Si PJ lang. All of them are like so calm.
The youngest ones are the chill ones.
Yes, chill ones.
Chill. Tim, was there ever a moment wherein you were like, Mom, what are you doing? Stop it.
When she started her own vlog, I was cringing and I wasn't proud of it because I was afraid of what people would think of her YouTube channel. My initial reaction is like, Mom, what are you doing? Stop it.
Yeah.
But,
They're begging me to stop.
over the pandemic, she stopped. Then I had some friends who messaged me saying like, hey, what happened to your mom's vlogs? Why isn't she continuing?
Yeah.
So from that point on, I knew people loved it and there was a demand for her vlog.
All my kids,
Yeah.
even with Allison, di ba? They love me. The classmates of Allison, they all love me, even in high school, mid-school, and even in college now.
So it was your kids that allowed you to return to your vlog.
Yeah,
We pushed her
Mommy,
to
you know, they're
video
asking,
again.
what happened with your vlog? And I was so sad when they were like, can you just stop? Like PJ said, Mom, do you know, I'm getting depressed. You're giving me depression.
May ganon.
Oh my ganon.
Not me.
But si PJ, Mommy, I'm so depressed now with what you do. But you know, I just take it lightly from PJ pa.
Oh. But was there ever another instance na hindi vlog? That you just saw, like, Mom, stop it. You were like shocked.
So she was making the bog in
The bog.
a store in Japan because I forgot what happened.
What?
But
Making the
she was
bog.
crying, wailing,
Oh my
stomping.
gosh.
In public.
Yeah. I got secondhand embarrassment because I was together with her. And I just distanced myself.
So wait, para sa... I distanced myself.
I should have told her, Mom, stop. Let's get out of the way. That was the right thing to do.
Alam mo, parang listening to your son, parang ikaw yung bata.
Yes. Sabi nga, when I was having tantrums or or sometimes meron kaming mga LQ ni Philip, sasabihin nila, they will take photos. Tapos may chat sila, these are the babies of the house. In their chat, di ba? Babies, they will take photos. Me like acting like, crazy. They say you to have smiling eyes. Not.
Mom, what are you doing? One bite only.
I cannot. Can you eat my laway? Okay.
Kanji.
Wow, it's good.
Her personality, did it influence in any way?
The way I see her, how she lives her life, it's carefree in a good way. It's look at the brighter things in life. So for me, I always choose to be happy, good vibes, and if there's like a problem that's minor, it's not the end of the world for me.
What is the one lesson that your mom taught you that you still carry on today?
To be religious
Really
and
prayerful.
to pray to God. Yeah.
Okay.
I've had some shortcomings when it comes to like going to mass, praying every day. Parang I got a calling in the last 2 years to be more prayerful. For my mom to be happy, I have to go to mass. pray to God every day. So, and to be more grateful, of course.
That's what I always tell
Yeah.
you. You have to be grateful all the time and be thankful. The moment you wake up, just thank God for everything. I always tell you
Yeah.
that.
So I may not go to mass every week, but I always pray now. Thanks to her.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow,
And my
I'm
girlfriend.
so happy.
My girlfriend
Ah,
also
yeah,
follows.
also,
and
also.
Olivia
Yeah.
They
also.
serve in the church, no?
Oo.
Yeah.
They're like, yeah.
Oh, ikaw naman, ito, as a mother, what lesson do you want Tim to learn? Other than pray all the time, be grateful, ano pa?
I always tell him to be humble, especially now that people are recognizing him. So sabi ko, always be grateful and stay humble. Be a blessing to others and be a man for others and always be respectful.
Lagi yun.
Lagi yun.
Oo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the biggest pressure being small, loudest son?
Now that I'm into content creating, it's can I get at least a fraction of her numbers?
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ang
And I told him
na
that
anong feeling
Yeah.
mo na sinabi niya yun, no?
I'm so naman, kilig.
And to produce a great video.
A
Diba?
great video. Because I want Tim to produce like with substance and with sense, tsaka with people just like learn something from him, like especially the kids now.
Pero mas maalaga ka kay Tim kesa nung nagsimula ka ng YouTube.
Yes.
Kasi nung nagsimula ka ng YouTube mo,
I just
ang
do
bili ko
whatever.
sa'yo, nagising ka lang, nag-YouTube ka na.
Nagising ako,
Eto,
hi,
talagang
welcome.
tutok ka.
Oh my God, yes. And I said, Tim, what were you doing? Talagang, are you serious? Di ba, there was a time pa we stopped him from doing it because I don't want him to get pressured.
Because it's easy to tell someone to do things versus you doing it yourself.
Yes.
With your kids, with Tim, you want him to succeed.
Of course, dear, I'm always nakatutok to Tim, kung anong ginagawa niya. I'm very careful kung ano talaga dapat gawin ni Tim kasi, dear, ayoko siyang mabash o ma-pressure sa work niya. And I told Tim, take it easy. Don't get pressured. Kahit hindi niya makuha yung what I achieve, okay lang. Basta happy siya sa ginagawa
Yeah.
niya, dear.
Yun ang important,
Yun
no?
ang importante. And even with other kids, with Allison, kahit ano yung dreams nila in life, I'll be there to support, syempre.
Isn't it difficult, Tim, to go on your own considering you already had a duo?
We were playing around when we were vlogging, having fun, and we were very fulfilled when it came to our audience's reactions, how we make them feel. But at the end of the day, we had our own priorities. It was hard for us to come together, and we were restricted to our duo. Versus right now, I could have my own brand, my own direction when it comes to making my own videos.
Before, I was so excited when they started it, but I just realized that it's better that Tim is doing it alone by himself.
Why is it better for you?
I think it's more worth it, and Tim can do anything on his own. I'm so happy and proud that Tim started his own, and it's not worth it to be with someone, It's better that Tim is alone by himself.
Hey guys, I'm Tim Laude. Welcome to my first vlog.
Look at my view, guys. Beautiful. Pool looks so inviting. Should I jump?
Yeah.
You know what? Okay.
It's like 30 degrees out here. The sun is shining. And so are you.
Oh my gosh, Tim, I'm so touched.
When we're out, when I travel with both of you, I see how close you are.
Yes.
What is it about your bond?
My mom is young at heart, and she has a tolerance for taking in all our jabs at her. So our relationship feels like we're friends or siblings.
Yeah.
Hindi ba pikon nanay mo?
She gets picon, but
I'm picon.
she'll get over it in less than an hour.
I'm so close to all my children, but when Tim started the YouTube, naging close kami kasi every time we talk about it, what's your content, what will you do? So we talk about it often
Yeah.
now. Yeah.
Oo, tsaka nagkakaintindihan kayo.
Nakakaintindihan kami, yes. He's very obedient to me and he follows me and he always consults with me. Yun na naman. Nakakaaliw rin si Tim at saka malambing siya.
Malambing.
Because baby si Tim.
Oo, pero
Baby.
malambing si Tim.
Malambing si Tim.
With all your kids, pinakamalambing ba si Tim?
No, different.
Diba?
Si Michael is very maserbisyo.
Oo.
PJ is very pakialamero and also always asking, how are you, mom? Always calling me, where are you? Are we gonna eat dinner here? Ganyan. Si Tim, always, he's still the baby here in the house now because wala si Allison and baby among the boys.
Baby ka pa rin daw.
Ayaw
Not
nila.
anymore.
Saka you're still, pero no, you're still a baby.
I'm a grown man.
No!
Yun
Ano
yun.
man?
I'm 25.
What?
I'm 25.
No!
Wait, can you see him as a grown man?
No.
No,
Not
that's a
grown
problem.
man. He's not grown.
That's why all of my opinions are invalid.
Are you
And
serious?
it's always war in this house.
Yeah, always. You always disagree. On so
So
many
I just
things.
agree to disagree.
Yeah. Laging nag-argue, ganyan.
So you argue because she doesn't say that you're an adult.
Everything she says and does is right.
That's,
Okay.
yeah. I said, Tim, I've been there. I'm like 4 decades ahead of you. You just listen to mom. I've been there. Hindi kayo mas magiging magaling sa akin.
Anong fear mo for your kids?
You know, dear, I always have fear na they will go on a wrong way or may maling decision sa life. So every time, I just pray for discernment that they will really decide what's good for them, that they will not regret. Kasi baka may gagawin sila na ire-regret lang nila, dear. Naku, my God, no. I said, you be careful with all your actions and always be guided and ask for guidance.
Ano bang mga advice na bigay nyo?
Okay, sa negosyo, dapat honest. They have to work hard on everything they do and talagang mag-dedicate ng time. Sa kaibigan, of course, I told them, always be loyal. No, I mean truthful, honest. And mag-iingat, careful na hindi nila ma-hurt yung feelings ng friend. And get the right kind of friend para, siyempre, dear, yun yung influence nila in life, kung sino kasama nila. And with family, siyempre, always have time for your family.
And love.
Ay, dear, dapat loyal, wag mabababae. Diyos ko, hindi pwede yun, nakakahiya.
If you turned back time, do you wish you did something differently?
With my kids.
Oo.
I do.
Ano?
I wish she was more active.
Yeah,
Like she could be playing
yeah, that's the regret.
maybe pickleball right now
With
or
you.
tennis.
No,
Yeah.
but that's not with you, guys. You
No,
know-
I mean like you could be
I
playing
should-
sports with your kids.
Yeah. That's what
There
I
are parents
regret.
that are like
Also,
that.
parang with Allison, I should have spent more time, like at night when she wants me to be with her in bed, to make kwento. Yun yung na-regret ko kasi that's what Allison was been asking me when she was little.
So time.
Spend more time with me. Kaya sabi ko, always, dapat spend more time with your kids, especially when they're kids pa. Kasi when they grow up, they will all go away,
Bilang ina, you wish you gave more time.
More time, yan. That's my regret pala. More time
Oo.
with my kids.
Kasi donya ka ng ano.
Oh, yeah, always.
Donya na po siya noon.
Hindi ako
Yun yun.
nagsuspend mag-alaga ng time. Si Allison, every night, Mommy, can you put me to sleep? No, I want the yaya to put her to sleep kasi if I'm with Allison, di yan matutulog.
But your mom still did something right.
More of like family values when it comes to her immediate family with her parents and our titas. You could see like how respectful each person is in the family, how religious, how they treat their relationships with their friends. More of like, it just set on us how I treat my friends also, my cousins. There's lots of factors when it comes to influence.
What is the one lesson that money can't teach you, that you have to learn the hard way?
The way you treat your relationships. Because you could have all the money in the world. How can you enjoy your money without people in your life?
Loyalty, my loyalty, I'm fiercely loyal to everyone, to a friend, sister, to my kids. Yun, hindi mabibili ng pera, I'm being loyal.
Handa ka na ba, small, one day na si Tim ay ikasal?
Oh my gosh, hindi pa ako ready to any of my kids.
Any? Kasi
But-
si PJ muna,
but Mary-
and then Mike, right? Baka may mauna
But
naman
they're
doon.
in the right age already.
Oh,
Yeah.
in a few years, he'll
It
be in the
makes me sad kasi sabi ko, somebody will leave the house and it will not be the same anymore. Diba? When they get married, they leave.
Small, sa mga nanonood ngayon na mga anak, let's start with that. You know, sometimes we take our mothers for granted. Di ba? We think, oh, it's just Mother's Day. Anong advice mo sa mga bata?
Dear, of course, they really have to appreciate and love their mothers. Kasi, dear ako, pag may nasasaktan ng kids ko, akong pinakaunang nasasaktan. And like, we had a talk with Tim like few weeks ago and hindi niya ako ma-understand. Bakit akala lang niya, nakikialam ako. But you know what? Sabi ko, Tim, you know what? I'm so hurt sa pinagdaanan mong pain. You know, affected ako. And doon na yung Tim na-realize kung gaano ako kamahal, kung gaano ko siya kamahal. And na-realize na, oh, my mom pala was just so concerned about my feelings. Kasi dear, akala lang hindi niya na-appreciate yon. So kayo yung mga kids, appreciate your mom kasi mas una pang masasaktan ng moms kaysa sa inyo. Kasi we're always here for you. And my gosh, your mother knows what's best for you. And you will realize pag nagka-family kayo, and pag wala na yung parents nyo, doon nyo ma-realize kung gaano kamahal kayo ng parent, ng mom nyo.
Beautiful. Tim, you were once a little boy. Now
Yeah.
you are 25 years old. What have you learned really about your mother and how important mothers are?
When I was young, I would say, yeah, I love my mom. But sometimes I was taking her for granted, like I wasn't listening to the advice she gave. But now that I'm a bit older, I try to understand where she's coming from. I don't shut it down. I don't shut down whatever she tells me. And more of appreciating and being grateful for her presence.
I
Yeah.
felt that. Lately, I felt that she's really appreciating me, you know.
Wow.
Yeah.
Na-feel ko.
Napaka-renewed na pala ng relation.
Ay! Oo, after nitong mga pinagdaanan namin. Oh my gosh. Talaga naman renewed.
Oh, wow, may surprise!
Wow, look.
Wow!
Happy
Oh my
birthday.
God!
Oh my gosh,
Gosh!
Timmy! Thank you so
May
much!
surprise!
Oh,
What's
Thanks,
your
Ma.
message to mom?
Thanks for being the best.
Oh, thank
Oh my
you.
God.
Short,
Okay.
concise.
And thank you, Timmy, for now that I nafe-feel ko ngayon na you're obeying your mom. Sinusunod mo na yung mga advice ko. Dati ang tigas ng ulo mo. Lagi akong high blood. Pero now, my God, closer na kami. Kasi, syempre, content creator, both of us. Thank you.